Alright guys, Josh Tech Gamer back again with another tech video. Now, I've been wanting to do this video and I haven't done it in a while, and I think it's time. I have another gaming mouse that I want to do an unboxing review on. So, yeah. So I did purchase this mouse called the NPET gaming mouse. Now, to be honest with you, the name sounds really weird. Passion for gaming. So it's in this little cheap box, and I got this mouse because I wanted to do a review on this, and I saw it and I just wanted to check it out and have a backup mouse because I actually don't have one if my Razer goes out. So yeah, let's check it out. Let's open it up. Now you can retail this for $14.99 on Amazon if you want to get this. I did purchase this a while back on Black Friday for 10 bucks. That's how long have I had it. So let's open it up and check it out. Like I said, I want to do more tech videos. I do got something coming pretty soon. It's a new headphones. So pretty much you just open it and it's right there. It does come with instructions. Let's see. Comes with the user manual. So I mean, basically, you don't need a user manual, right? You just plug it in and boom, you got your mouse ready to go. So pretty much, it comes in this little, like, cheap plastic, you know, just like this stuff that, you know, don't need that. So I have seen this mouse. I did look at it before, and I'm going to tell you, before I even plug it in, I actually like this mouse. Now, I know this is not a top mouse like Razer, Logitech, but honestly, it looks really sleek. Like, I'm actually liking it. I might even try this for a while instead of using the Razer, but I do Fortnite or any kind of gaming or CSGO to try it out and see how it does and see. I mean, I really like it. Look at that, it just fits perfectly over the hand. It is a little lower than the Razer, so if I do have the Razer right here, it has more of a hump. So I do use the Razer Mama Tournament Edition. So yeah, let's check this out. It does have a nice little braided cable, and you know me, I like those braided cables. So let's take off this little thing. Always gotta have a long cord. So it is a USB, basically just like any mouse, just plug it in. It is 9 programmable buttons, so if you want to like program it for certain mouse buttons. It's a little heavy, but it's not too heavy. Now it does have a button on the back. I just noticed this is light on or off. So I'm assuming you can turn it on or off so the light won't run. So honestly, dude, this mouse is really sleek. I mean, just check it out. I'll have you guys check it out, dude, close. I do like this part is a little bit of, it's got a little, it's not plastic, but it's more like a rubber, but it's not like the Razer, but it's got a good grip to it. I'm liking that. The scroll wheel, I'm actually liking the scroll wheel. It's actually, it's pretty nice. It's got adjustable DPI right here, and it's got buttons on the side right here. If you guys can't see. So I'll do a clicking sounds right now. You guys can kind of hear it. I mean, the buttons are kind of quiet. And then here's the tops. I mean, so that's what the clicky sounds like. I do like the front of it, how it's like that. I actually really like this mouse. I have seen the lighting on it, and I will show you in a minute, but the lighting lights up beautiful on this mouse. Has a cool little logo on there and stuff. So yeah, so we're gonna plug it in and try it out. So on here, it does have the default DPI right here, pretty much like on basic any mouse that has the button on top. So it does have the default DPI at 1000, 2000, 3000, or 4000 DPI. So it could go up to 4000. I don't run my DPIs that high, so you know, honestly. So if you hit the middle button, it does go up faster. Wow, this mouse is actually pretty nice. I'm actually really liking it. I'm gonna try it out for a while and see, will it make me better at Fortnite? I don't think so. No, probably won't, but I really like the customs and the colors on this mouse. It looks freaking amazing. I will lift it up and show you guys. Actually, looks really nice. It actually, the glow, it looks brighter than on the monitor, but I'll show you some video shots from different angle, but it glows I like how the lighting goes around it really perfectly. It just looks amazing. It is kind of breathing in and out, not all the way, slowly. So let's see, let's check this mouse out. So it's an LED light, a 16.8 million customized backlight for your preference. So it's a lot of colors. So this button on the back right here, like I said, it will turn this off, or you just press it and it turns it off like halfway. And then if you hit it again, it turns it on all the way. So basically the back button will actually control the light on and off and adjust the color halfway all the way. So that's what that button is for back there. So it does have a left, right, scroll wheel, DPI, and side buttons. Kind of basically just like the Razer mouse. I mean, the cord is a little tangled up. So let's check and see what else this mouse has. So the refresh rate is actually 125 hertz to 100 hertz refresh rate. So this is good for like basically FPS, 6000 FPS. So it's good for like first person shooter games. So I'm definitely gonna be trying this on CSGO, and I'm gonna be trying it a lot on Fortnite. It does have a 20 gig acceleration. So mouse is pretty souped up for only $14.99. So it is $14.99. That's the price right now. When I did purchase this mouse, it was at $10 and I had to get it. So I mean, you can't beat that price. This mouse is literally under $15. So you can change the light by the driver, but it says not suitable for iOS systems. So yeah, so that's kind of it's up to 100 hertz, makes faster, more accurate than an ordinary mouse. So yeah, if you guys want to check this out, I'll put it down in the description below where you guys want to get this mouse. You can switch the pull rate up from 125 hertz to 1000 hertz for your preference. So that's about it, guys. I just want to do a little short video on this. I do have some other tech stuff coming, so I'll be doing that, and I'll be looking into doing a PC desk setup. I haven't done it yet because I might be upgrading the gaming mouse pad. The one I have now, I might be getting the glorious 35 by 15. It's a lot bigger. I have a lot more room, so it's about $35. If I do that, I will do an unboxing video on that. So that's why I haven't done a PC desk setup yet. I will do a video on my pops and toys and stuff. Since you guys want to see that, I'll do a little short vlog on that. You guys could see all that stuff. So alright guys, thanks for watching Josh Tech Gamer. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that like button, please, and subscribe to Josh Tech Gamer if you guys want to see more tech unboxing, gaming videos, whatever I do. This is the place to go. I will be live streaming very soon, so I'm just trying to push more videos out. So alright guys, check you guys later.